There is a reason Dr. Rashel is giving you rashes on your face. When I also used Dr. Rashel on my face, it also gave me rashes. Then it occurred to me that okay, it's actually purging my face because the bombs that it actually gave to me did not really last for a long time, like when you're having like acne or pimple. Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Choma Akujeze, and here on this channel I share skincare tips, I make product reviews, and I also do DIYs. And if this is something you love, please hit the subscription button to be part of the family. And if you've been watching me for a while now and you've not yet subscribed, please do it to subscribe to be part of the family, and God bless you. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a face cream for today's video. I reviewed face cream before, like one of my previous videos I've talked about like 6 face creams that just helps to moisturize and give you a very supple look. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave the link to the video up here so you can go and check out that video. So today's video I'm going to be talking about Dr. Rashel face cream. Yes, I just put on this Dr. Rashel face cream to just talk about it today because there have been a lot of reviews about it, both good, both bad. And also I started using it of recent, so I'm here now to just share my honest review and some things that you need to know before getting it. What you need to know before buying Dr. Rashel. Like before you say okay, I want to get Dr. Rashel face cream, I'm going to be telling you some things that you need to know before you get this Dr. Rashel face cream. So please stay tuned to the end of the video so you do not miss out on any part. Every part you've missed out on something very important. This is Dr. Rashel face cream, Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging face cream. Okay, I'm just going to talk about it briefly before I start going into details. This Dr. Rashel face cream is not a newbie. It's something that has been around for a while now. And why I love this Dr. Rashel face cream a lot because it contains vitamin C and E, and vitamin C and E are known to be what very what powerful antioxidant. And this vitamins in it helps to protect the skin from aging and free radicals that you get from the environment and other things too. It is a lightweight formula. It's a lightweight gel. I don't want to forget that part. So if you're the type that is having wrinkles, you're having a very dull skin, you're having wrinkles now, like all this place squeeze, like even without even squeezing your face, like it's just there, and you are still using products that strips out moisture from your face, I'm sorry, you need to stop using products like that. Because by the time you get maybe on your 20s or your 30s, then you now start approaching to your 40s, 50s, the wrinkles will not just hide themselves again, they will just show up. But when you start using products that are so rich in hyalluronic acid, like that hyalluronic acid in quotes, trust me, you're not going to have issues with wrinkles or anti-aging. This Dr. Rashel, it is so when I give them a thumbs up on that part, because it will help to give you, when that hyalluronic acid helps to plump the skin and give you a very smooth and a very supple. It's hyalluronic acid helps to project a very smooth and supple feeling on the skin. It helps to improve a dull skin, and it helps to actually brighten up your skin. When I say brighten up your skin, I'm not saying like taking you 2 shades lighter or 3 shades lighter. When I mean it actually helps to brighten your skin, what I mean is it actually helps to reveal your natural glow, like make it sharp and to make it radiating. It is creamy and lightweight, and also this Dr. Rashel helps to give you an even skin tone. Just in case you have an uneven skin tone, it will help to blend your skin accordingly. This Dr. Rashel also helps with sunburn. Like if you're having sunburn and you're using this Dr. Rashel face cream with your sunscreen, Trust me, they actually help to reduce the appearance of sunburn that you have on your skin. Like vitamin C and also with your sunscreen will actually helps to reduce the appearance of sunburn that you have on your skin. At first, I did not really like this Dr. Rashel face cream on my first application. Reason is, it was giving me this oily, greasy feeling. I don't know if you can relate, but I have a combination skin. My skin is not oily, it's not too oily, it's not too dry. It's just combination. But after a while, it's just settled down. Like it settled, everything was calm. It did not itch me, it did not give me a burn, like it did not really burn my face like that. But I wasn't really loving the fact that it was actually giving me this oily feeling on my face. But after a while, it actually settled. I was actually loving how it made my skin soft and supple. Another thing that happened was that it gave me rashes. I was having bumps, like little bumps on my face. Then it occurred to me that okay, it's actually purging my face, because the bumps that it actually gave to me did not really last for a long time, like when you're having like acne or pimple bumps. This is one time actually still a lot of people complain about, that I use this product and it's giving me rashes, it's giving me acne on my face. It's not like I've not used any product that has vitamin C before, or any product that has hyalluronic acid, but there are still other products that are in it, especially when the product is using a different skincare entirely. So your face usually purges. Most time when your face is purging, it's just a sign that the product is actually working. The purging actually helps to increase your skin's turnover rate. That means it helps the dead skin cells to shred faster. When you use a new product, it's likely going to actually purge your face. Most times you do not purge, you just blend and everything. But most times when you use a new active skincare product, like you've not tried the product before, maybe, or the ingredient before, you've not used it before on your face, your skin is likely to purge. If it's just bumps you're having, your face is not itchy, you're not having like a burning sensation on your face, then it is not purging. But if you're having, like when you use it, your face is hurting you, you're having like a burning sensation on your face is itchy when you use it, and I'm sorry, you might be having an allergic reaction. Then that is when you can now discontinue it, that your skin or your face is reacting to a product that is reacting to an ingredient that has been used in this product. But if it's just bumps you're having on your face, it's nothing to like worry about, because face purging, at the rate at which those purging last, they do not last as long as when you have like a normal pimples or acne breakout. If you have an oily skin, you might want to just stay away from this Dr. Rashel face cream, because you might have like more acne than usual, and that oily feeling where you have to be cleaning your face, the oil will just be too much. You might not really enjoy it. And not only that, if you're using it and you're not using it with your sunscreen, you're going out like that in the sun, you have an oily skin, you might end up getting darker while using this product. If you have a normal skin, dry skin, especially if you have a dry skin, like your skin is extremely dry, Dr. Rashel should be your best friend, because it's going to deeply moisturize your skin and give you that shine. What not to use with this Dr. Rashel face cream? It has vitamin C in it. So any product that has vitamin C, you want to make sure that you do not use it with retinoids, retinol, AHA, BHA, or even fruity acid. For instance, maybe you got this product, instead of it to just get the serum, so you know that you're using the serum. Rashel is highly infused with vitamin C. It has vitamin, they even wrote it there, vitamin C brightening and anti-aging. It has vitamin C in it, and cocoa berry has retinol in it. Vitamin C and retinol are not best friends. They will fight each other, and the results will be seen on your face. That's when you start having serious hormonal acne breakouts. You might start having breakouts that will last longer than even when your skin is just scorching. You get? So vitamin C and retinoid should not be used together with it. And not just for face serum, you want to make sure that the cleanser or the soap that you're using, just any product you are using, you make sure that it's a mild product, like your soap or your face wash. Make sure that it's something that is mild, something that does not have harsh ingredients in it, so that when you're using this face cream, it doesn't really react on your skin. Another part that I actually want to talk about in this product is, a lot of people have been saying, I got the Dr. Rashel face cream and it's giving me a white cast feeling. Dr. Rashel does not give you a white cast feeling. But this is what it looks like when you apply Dr. Rashel face cream on your face. It's immediately I applied it on my face, it just absorbed in. It's giving me this supple feeling. Then it came to my notice that there's actually like 3 types of the Dr. Rashel face cream. Like, if you don't really know about the Dr. Rashel and you did not really make proper research for getting a product, you just went to buy it because everybody's talking about Dr. Rashel face cream, then you went to get it without making a very good proper research, you might end up not getting the face cream. Okay, this is a sheet containing all their various products here. The day cream, and I'm not gonna put it here so that you just quickly glance through what they say about their day cream. They also have the night cream. I don't really know why they did it like that, but they also have day cream and night cream, and they have their face cream. This is Dr. Rashel face cream, the one that I just used now on my face and showed you guys, the one that I'm reviewing. This is their face cream. A lot of you won't know. You will just go and get the day cream and it's going to be written here. It's written here, face cream. Always check. You don't just say Dr. Rashel cream, this is the cream container, and you get it. You might end up buying the one that you're not supposed to buy. I actually came across someone, we bought 3. She bought 3. This was the one she had plans to buy, but she ended up buying 2 day cream, the face cream. If she had bought the day cream, night cream and face cream, that would have been better, but she just bought the 2 day cream and the face cream. But her complaint was that the day cream gives a white cast feeling, though I don't have it here. She said when she actually applied it on her face, she has to apply, reapply before it even seals in, and most times it just, and she's a fair skin person, most times it just gives this white cast as if she rubs white powder on her face. Any face cream that you get, and when you apply it on your face, it is thick and you need to reapply. You know that product is either a sunblock or it has a lot of SPF in it. That is why Dr. Rashel day cream that most of you get to use gives you this white cast feeling. So if you want to get the Dr. Rashel face cream, make sure that you go through it, and make sure that the one you are getting, it is written face cream on it. Dr. Rashel face cream, vitamin C face cream, is a very, very good face cream if you want something that will moisturize your skin, glow your skin at a very, very affordable rate. I think as at now it's sold for $2.5, and every skin tone can use it, whether you are dark, whether you are fair, you're caramel, it's good for all skin tone. But for skin type, if you have an oily skin, please don't use it. And if you don't know how you can actually determine your skin type, I have talked about it. I've done a detailed video on it on my channel. I'm going to leave links in my description box and also up here, yes, so you can go and check out that video so you will know how to actually know your skin type. Okay, so that is going to be all for this Dr. Rashel face cream. That will be all for today's video. I hope you found this video really, really helpful. And if you did, please comment down below. And if you've used Dr. Rashel face cream before, please come down to the comment section, share your opinion, how it was on your own face. Let's come down there and talk about it. And if you also want me to review any other product for you, please come down to the comment section. I'm going to be there to answer your questions. Okay, if you want to get the Dr. Rashel face cream, I'm going to leave links in my description box where you can get it. But if you're going to be using it, make sure you use it with your sunscreen, because it does not have like a lot of SPF. It doesn't even have SPF. It doesn't have SPF in it, so that you do not start having sunburn on your face. You want to make sure that you use it alongside with a sunscreen. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you've watched me up to this point, wow, you're all the best. Thank you. And if you're not yet subscribed, please click the subscription button to be part of the family. God bless you. Do not also skip the ads. If you skip the ads, go back and watch the ads. Thank you so much for watching me up to this point. God bless you. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.